Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Microsoft Azure for data visualization, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin using Microsoft Azure for data visualization, first, create an Azure account if you don't already have one. Visit the Azure website and click on the Start Free button to set up your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Azure portal. In the Azure portal, search for Power BI in the search bar. Select Power BI and click on Create to start a new workspace for your data visualizations. You'll need to choose a name for your new workspace. After naming your workspace, set the region based on your data storage needs. Next, configure the capacity settings to determine the performance level based on your requirements. Once configured, click on Review plus Create to finalize your workspace setup. Now, move to the Power BI service to upload your data sources. Import data by selecting the Get Data option on the Power BI homepage. Choose your data source type, such as Excel, SQL Server, or Azure Blob Storage. Upload the dataset you wish to visualize by following the prompts specific to your chosen data source. After your data is uploaded, navigate to the Report view in Power BI. In this view, you can drag and drop fields from your dataset onto the canvas. Utilize the Visualizations pane on the right to select different graph and chart types for your data. Customize your visuals by using the formatting options available to adjust colors, labels, and titles. You can add multiple visuals to your report canvas, organizing them as desired. Using the Filters pane, set filters to enable interactive data drilling for viewers. Once your report is complete, save your work and choose Publish to share it with stakeholders.
Select the appropriate workspace where you want your report published. After publishing, navigate to the Power BI service to access your report online. You can adjust sharing settings to control who can view and interact with your report. Finally, consider setting up scheduled refreshes to keep your data up to date automatically.
With these steps, you now have a comprehensive understanding of how to utilize Microsoft Azure for effective data visualization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.